I'm Alicia, your luxury kitchen designer, and today I'm sharing 15 quick tips to help you plan and execute your kitchen renovation. I'm going to try and pack them all into just 5 minutes, so let's get straight into it. Set a budget. Set a realistic budget so you know exactly how much you can spend, how much you can afford before you start picking out finishes and appliances. This will keep you grounded and prevent overspending. Prioritize needs versus wants. Prioritize what's essential versus what's nice to have. Focus on the core elements like the layout, storage, and appliances before splurging on the nice extras. Have a list of what you really need and then a list of what you would like to have extra if the budget allows. Once you've ticked off everything in your needs, you can then move on to adding in some extras. Measure twice. Before you go in to see a kitchen designer or go into kitchen showrooms, you need to have a floor plan. Architect's drawings are preferable as they're to scale and they're very detailed, but if you're simply just taking out your old kitchen and putting a new one in, you can measure your space yourself and draw out a floor plan. When you go in to see a kitchen studio, they know roughly the size and shape of your kitchen. Don't just take pictures. Plan a layout that functionally and efficiently suits your space. Everybody wants a kitchen island, but not everybody can actually fit a kitchen island. Adding in a kitchen island, as great as it may be, actually reduce the functionality of your space. This is where you should let your kitchen designer guide you, as this is what they do all day, every day, ensuring you get the best layout for your space. Think about workflow. Consider how you and your family use the space. Do you usually cook as a big group? That usually just one person who's cooking? Do you have lots of small children? All of these things can really affect the way that you design your kitchen. Then there's the obvious things like placing your bin, sink, dishwasher close to each other, pots, pans, plates, utensils kind of close to the areas that they need to be used. Maximize storage. You can definitely have too little storage, but you can never have too much. Incorporate smart storage solutions like pull-out drawers, pantry organizers, larders, pull-out corner units. This will keep your kitchen clutter-free and functional. Choose durable materials. Invest in high-quality materials for your kitchen cabinets, your worktops, and your flooring. They'll withstand daily wear and tear and look great for the years to come. Focus on lighting. This is one that I find a lot of people don't consider. They just have some spotlights and ignore any task lighting, especially in the evenings when maybe you're not using the kitchen so much. You may just want to have some nice dim task lighting on. It kind of gives a more relaxed, moody vibe to your kitchen. Ventilation matters. This is one that I always talk to my clients about as being a very important yet very often overlooked area in the kitchen. Investing in a great extractor hood is going to keep your kitchen clean, grease-free, odor-free while you're cooking. You don't really want the smells from the kitchen kind of flowing through into your living room. And plan for waste management. So in the UK, you may have to have waste recycling, composting, have lots of different bins. So sometimes it's necessary to have a waste, recycling, and compost bin in your kitchen. Some areas you may only need to have a waste and a recycling. Make sure you have enough bins incorporated into your kitchen design to suit your house and the area that you live in. Going energy efficient. Choose energy efficient lighting and appliances. They'll save you money in the long run and they're just great for the environment. Think about future proofing. So who is going to be using this kitchen? Is it children? Is it a more elderly family? Consider your future needs. Plan things like aging. If this is not your forever home, consider the resale value of your home. Choosing a design that's timeless and maybe a little bit more simple. Don't forget the details. Small details like your backsplash, your handles, the sink and tap can have a large impact on the overall look of the kitchen. If you're not going for a hot tap, this nice statement tap can make a huge difference to a kitchen, but not add too much to the cost. Hire the right professionals. Whether it's a designer, a builder, a kitchen fitter, hire someone who understands your vision, what you want, and someone who you've seen their previous work, so you know that their standard of work matches the quality that you want for your kitchen. Plan for delays. Be a little bit flexible with your timeline. Kitchen renovations may take longer than anticipated, so build in some buffer time. Try not to plan your kitchen renovation the week before Christmas if everybody's coming over to your house. I hope these tips help you plan your kitchen renovation with confidence. If you have any more questions or need some advice, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really does help me out, and I'll see you in the next one.